Hi, welcome to How to Create a Blogger Account tutorial. Blogger is a blog publishing service hosted by Google that is simple to use and free. Blogging is also a great way to express your thoughts and opinions and connect with others. It can even be used for professional development. Teachers can use Blogger to reflect on teaching strategies and share information and ideas with fellow educators. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up your own Blogger account. To create a Blogger account, you will start by going to blogger.com. You will need a Google email address to use Blogger because Blogger is a Google product. You will be taken to the home screen for Blogger. Once you are on the Blogger home page, click Create Your Blog in the orange rectangle located at the center of your screen. Then you will see the screen labeled Google Sign In. After you find this screen, you will enter your Google email address or phone number associated with your Google account. If you forgot your Google email address, you can click on Forgot Email to recover your information. After entering your Google email address, click the Next button located at the bottom of the screen. If you do not already have a Gmail account set up, you can click on Create Account to set up your Google account and follow the online prompts to finish setting up your account. Current Gmail account users will enter their Gmail password on the blue line located at the center of the screen. Then click the blue Next button. Next, you will see the Welcome to Blogger screen. The last step in setting up your Blogger account is confirming your profile. There are two options to choose from before you can begin posting on your blog. Depending on your personal preference, either select Google Plus profile or create a limited blogger profile. I'm going to choose the blogger profile. Then you will be asked to enter a display name to use when sharing your post. Make sure to choose something simple and easy to remember. Then click Continue to Blogger. Congratulations! You have successfully set up your Blogger account. Blogger gives you different options to customize your blog so you can begin sharing your interests and thoughts with others. Remember, blogging can open up a whole new world and give teachers new opportunities to share, connect, create, and inspire. It can also make professional development more engaging and accessible. Thank you for watching this video and happy blogging!